Hey guys, welcome back to the channel here at DTI Network, where we're giving you all the information about how to build your personal credit, how to build your business credit, and be able to take advantage of the bank's products so that you can use them to be able to acquire assets for wealth building and also use them to be able to travel the world for free or at a very discounted price. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about another one of the hidden secrets that Navy Federal has that's going to really be beneficial to you. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you on a video. I'm going to walk you through step by step how you can load it and how you can become active within using this particular product. There's going to be three different products. The first product is going to be the Overdraft Savings Protection Plan, checking account line of credit, the acronym called OOPS, which is the Overdraft Protection Services. Okay, so we're going to go into those. I'm going to walk you through where to go and how to do it. Okay, guys, so this is what I wanted to show you. It can be a little tricky to be able to know exactly where to go when you're looking for the overdraft protection. It took me a second, so I'm sure it takes a lot of other people, and this is like a secret almost. People don't know how to get here unless you do some research or you ask the right questions. So this is what I want to be able to help you with. So after you go and you click on your checking account, you're going to go into accounts here. You're going to click on your particular checking account, and then from there, you're going to see where it says Overdraft Protection. When you go over here, you're going to click Manage. Once you click the Manage, I had just enrolled in it, so that's why you're seeing this. But what we'll do here is, so that you can see, we're going to go over here. I'm going to click Overdraft Protection so that you can see all the different options. So the first option you have for your overdraft protection is going to be your overdraft savings transfer. Your overdraft savings transfer is free of charge, and it's going to allow you to take money that you have in your savings account to cover you for any money that you do not have in your checking account or that may go into an overdraft state. So this is really good to be able to have some backup so that you don't get charged with those fees. So you want to make sure you have enough funds that are linked into your savings account to cover any kind of overdraft amounts that could happen when you're doing your transactions. It does not, it does say here that it does not cover debit card transactions. So that is good to understand and know. The next one is the checking line of credit. This is a really good one as well. This one will make sure that if you don't have the money in your savings account, this will cover you there as well. And this goes up to, if I'm not mistaken, $3,000 for non-active military personnel and up to $5,000 line of credit for active military personnel. So it's a really good line of credit to be able to have to cover you for large expenses that may be coming through your account that you're unexpected of. It does have an interest rate of 13.9%, and then it goes up to 17.9%. But it does not have a no per item overdraft fee. So that's really good to have in your back pocket so you're covered. Now you do have to qualify for this. So you do have to apply to be able to qualify for this, and they will be taken in consideration if you have direct deposit. They'll take into consideration what your internal credit score is and what probably your TransUnion 9 score is as well. They want to make sure that you also have credit worthiness. So they're going to make sure that you're making enough money to be able to cover it. You get 30 days to be able to make this payment back after it has covered you. The other good thing that I want to add about this one is that you can actually apply with a joint member. Now, they do have to be a member within Navy Federal, but you can actually have another member apply with you. So say, for instance, they have some more significant income or they have better credit, then this will be a way that you can actually use to be able to help you guys both qualify for your particular checking. It can only be on the one checking account, but they will be able to help you be able to qualify for this line of credit. So it's another great option that Navy Federal offers to its clients. And then we come to the optional overdraft protection services, also acronymed as OOPS. Now this one will cover you for ATM withdrawals, any overdrafts from checks, ACHs, bill payments, and this one will cover debit card transactions. So this is a really good one to have. Now they do charge you $20 fee for each overdraft that you have, but it goes up to $500. So they will be covering you up to that amount. The really cool thing is once you have this on your account, there is no fee transactions for less than $5. So sometimes you may be over just maybe $2 or $3, and you know some banks will charge you with the maximum amount for overdrafting. Well, this bank will not do that. This bank will take in consideration anything $5 or less, they won't. And if the total overdrawn is less than $15, then there won't be any transaction fees for you as well. Also, this is a really good one because there's no credit check. As contrast, like the line of credit one, there will be a credit check, but this one does not. Although it will take 1 to 2 business days for you to be able to get approved for it, they'll let you know when you're approved for it. So you do have to still apply, but they will let you know. The other part is that after they've covered you up to the $500 plus the fees, they will give you 30 days to bring your account back to positive. So this one you definitely want to be able to have on your account. You never know what can happen in life. So just having that extra protection will be very advantageous for you to be able to have. I remember back in the day when I didn't have control of my finances as much, I used to run into some challenges, and being able to have an extra $200, $300 to carry me for 30 days would definitely be a great option. I remember a bank, I think Wells Fargo, had that option as well, where it was like overdraft or advanced. It's like an advanced fee or something like that. But that was a really good option. They took it away, but it looks like Navy Federal is doing something better, and they're taking care of their members in a really huge way, especially those that are living paycheck to paycheck and just trying to scrape and get by. They really want to make sure that you keep your account in good standing. So they're offering this wonderful addition called the optional overdraft protection services, where you're only charged $20. So very, very good product. Highly recommend you take advantage of this one. And that's what I wanted to share with you here. There you have it. That is the overdraft protection services area within your Navy Federal app. If you did not know this, and this is new to you, like it was to me, it's just a little bit ago. If it's new to you and you got some value out of this video, please hit the like button. Let us know you liked it. And if you want more information like this, hit the subscribe button. We have some other Navy Federal videos that will actually be helpful for you as well. Until next time, peace.